everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 easy hairstyles for summer. So this first one is called a twist over ponytail. And what you're going to want to do is part your hair to about the front of your ears. So for here, and then just kind of secure it up and out of the way. And then just comb it into a kind of mid to low ponytail. Then take this down. Come on, dude. Then you're going to want to part it into 2 sections, like this. And then just twist. And you want to kind of twist away from your face. And then you want to take a bobby pin, and you're going to take this around. Like that. And then you're going to want to do the same on the other side. Ta-da! And then do the same for the other 2 sides. And you're done. Yay! Next, we're going to do an angel braid. Again, what you're going to do is make kind of a deep side part, so probably right till about the back of your ear. So right here. And then just get the rest of your hair kind of away from this hair, so clip it up or put it in a ponytail or whatever. And take a section of about this much hair and split it into 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to want to take the top one and go under, and then the back one, go under, and then the front one, you're going to want to grab about this much of hair and then go under. And then the back section, you're going to want to take part from back here and just bring it under. And then just keep doing that. And then just pin it underneath about here. Gonna line up with your ear. And ta-da! You have a little braid. And you can also just take the pins out and just kind of leave it down like this for a more loose angel braid. It's really up to you. Next, you're going to do the same thing as the angel braid and part it, but you're going to do an even bigger part. And this, you're just going to twist and get out of the way. That is actually quite cool looking, isn't that? Huh. You're done. This is the new hairstyle I'm showing you. I'm just kidding. Then you're going to want to take the rest and you are going to put it up in a ponytail. Then once again, you are going to Dutch braid. And then bring it kind of around and then over and secure it with a bobby pin. And ta-da! It's another cute way to do a ponytail and just kind of get your hair out of your face. know what the last one that I just did was called. So braid pony. I don't know. Swedish braid pony, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, finally, the last one is called a pretzel braid. For this one, you are going to want to part it. I'm actually going to part it a little bit closer to the middle. And then I'm just going to take this side and get it out of the way. And now what you're going to do is bring your hair back and start braiding about here. Then do the same on the other side. And then you'll want to get some bobby pins ready. Take one of your braids and cross it under this braid and over top so it makes kind of a C, and then just pin it. And grab some more bobby pins and then do the same thing on the other side. And then you can either keep it very clean or you can just pull some of like the little baby hairs. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already. You can do that by clicking the word subscribe right up there. And to see my previous video, just click right over there. And my links to Instagram and Twitter are right down there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! My hair is, little baby hairs are going nuts, guys, because it is actually like super hot in the house and it's slowly getting humid. Now I look like I have dreads. And hold on a second. Ow, ow. What are you stuck on? Oh, okay.